Hi, I'm Robert Russick. I'm from Hamilton, New Jersey. I've been playing golf about 2 years now, and I'm a big fan of Shawnee because of the historical significance of this course. It's A.W. Tillinghass's first course he designed. I'm about to play Blue 8 right now. It's a short par 4, about 300 yards. My goal right now is to put it onto the right side of the fairway off of the tee, and then have a short iron right onto the green for an easy putt. So I ended up on the right side of the fairway like I wanted. It was more center, but it worked out. I had a nice 140-yard 7-iron to the green, and a fairly long downhill putt for birdie that I missed. Really have to watch the pace on that downhill. The break wasn't much. These greens are really nice and fast. I love this course.